Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete page in the WPS Office mobile app. First, open your WPS app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Now, go to the document where you want to delete a page. It can be a Word file or a PDF. If you are in a Word document, tap the pencil icon or edit to enter editing mode. WPS doesn't let you delete a whole page with one tap, but here is a simple trick. Scroll to the page you want to remove, tap and hold to select all the text and image on the page, then drag the blue marks to cover everything on that page. Once everything on that page is selected, tap delete on your keyboard. That page will be disappear because the content is gone. If you are trying to delete a page in PDF, go back and open the file in WPS PDF tool, then tap the three dots or tools, choose page and then delete page. Select the page you want to delete, confirm it, and it's gone. And that's it. You have successfully deleted a page in WPS Office on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.